Greg Bowman is the man behind one of the largest computer crowdsourcing networks called Folding at Home. He's looking to cure diseases, including his own.
My interest in proteins really stems from a childhood experience of losing most of my vision to a juvenile form of macular degeneration.
Bowman's eyesight has been fading since second grade. Although legally blind, Bowman is studying proteins, something so small that nobody can see them.
These are the molecular machines that perform most of the active processes associated with life.
Breaking down a single protein can take even the most complex of computers a lifetime. So from his office at Washington University, Bowman is using millions of computers around the world to do the work.
What we've done is devised ways to break these essentially intractable problems up into completely independent pieces that we can send out to many thousands of people to run in parallel.
Folding at Home aims to understand how proteins move or fold into their proper shapes to keep our bodies running. 4 million people from every country in the world are helping to find the answers.
It's kind of like a synergy, like each on their own independent wouldn't be able to achieve what they could achieve when working together towards the same common goal.
The more computers you contribute, the better, but anyone can help accelerate the simulations that we're performing.
To download the Folding at Home software, visit foldingathome.org/startfolding. I'm Marty Salt reporting.